Hello students, I am M.Sivakumar from Zoology School, right? My dear students, today we are going to talk about important topic for you from your 11th standard biozoology textbook. 11th standard biozoology textbook, chapter number 3, organ and the organ system. Chapter number 3, organ and the organ system. From this lessons, we already talked about the general characteristics of organ and the organ system animals. From this lesson, we have given for you 3 animals. One is the earthworm, second one is a cockroach, third one is frog. The earthworm, cockroach, and frog. Among these animals, we are taking earthworm nervous system. What is earthworm nervous system? The earthworm nervous system, embryologically, it is origin from ectoderm. What is the name? Ectoderm. It is origin from ectoderms. Embryologically, it is origin from ectoderms. Right? This nervous system, it's a very complicated structure. The earthworm nervous system, it's a very complicated structure. It is origin from the anterior part of the alimentary canals. Okay, anterior part of the body to posterior part of the body fully spread or formed. That is nervous system, right? So, which part of tissues we are going to consider for the earthworm body? That is the nervous system. It means a bilobed mass of nerve tissues that is located dorsal wall of the pharynx, the third segment. That is, we are going to consider brain, which is, see, this is a brain. The brain, it is otherwise called ganglion. It is otherwise called ganglion. And the ganglion, it is located third segment of earthworms. So third segment of earthworm, it is not a real brain. The collection of nerve branches, nerve bundles, coiled structure located, which is third segment of earthworm. You know one thing? All the earthworms are here to be 23 segments. All the matured earthworms are 23 segmented animals. So earthworm is a segmented animals, right? The first 2 pairs are, and then 2 segments are located mouth parts, which is mouth parts, anterior part of body mouth parts. After the third segment locate dorsal wall of the body part, which is a bilobed mass of nerve tissue that is called the brain. That the brain located dorsal wall of the pharynx. Third segment that is called, which is brain. The ganglion is found below this pharynx in the fourth segment. Subpharyngeal ganglion. The earthworm nervous system saw it is present third segment, right? The third segments of the contain brain. That the brain, it is coil-like structure. That is the coil-like structure. The coil-like structure are formed by subpharyngeal ganglion, which is called the subpharyngeal ganglion. See, this is the subpharyngeal ganglion. Just a minute, I will give a variation for you. Listen. See, this is the subpharyngeal ganglion. See, this is one subpharyngeal ganglion. Another subpharyngeal ganglion is tone, and that means running toward the upper circular body structures and lower part of body structures. Right? So two nerve tracts are raised from the brain. The 2 parts is connected by, which is subpharyngeal ganglion. So this is a ganglion structure from the earthworm body structure present. Each body segments of the nerve tissues contain a coiled tissues or curvatures, that is called the ganglionic nerve. That the ganglionic nerves are connected. Each nerve tissues, both are running from the anterior part of the body to posterior part of the body structure. See, this is the anterior part of body, which is anterior part of this, posterior part of body structures. From the anterior part to posterior body, they are going to run. Understand? So the 2 parts is connected by subpharyngeal ganglion. Subpharyngeal ganglion. So the subpharyngeal ganglions are connecting to nerve tract, ascending and descending. Dorsal part of upper bodies and ventral part of lower bodies, both are contained nerve tissues and ganglion both are connected by subpharyngeal ganglion. So this location that is called subpharyngeal ganglion. The subpharyngeal ganglion collect dorsal part of the tract and ventral part of the tract. Both are coiled anterior part of the body from the third segment that is called the brain. That is called the brain. Right? The brain subpharyngeal ganglion is connected by, which is the subpharyngeal ganglion both are connected by. See, I will give the clear explanations. That is called the brain structure, and this is subpharyngeal ganglion. How you can understand, right? See this connective tissue. What is connective tissue? That is called the subpharyngeal ganglion. Subpharyngeal ganglions. One of the nerve tracts arise from which is upper dorsal part of body structure. Another nerve tract is arise from which is ventral part of nerve tract. So between the nerve tissues, presence of ganglionic structure. Ganglion means the nerve tissues are coiled. The nerve tissues are coiled. Upper part and the lower part. I mean dorsal part of animal bodies and ventral part of animal bodies. Right? This complicated structure that is which is nervous system. See, that is the concept we are going to brain. Brain means it's a nerve ganglions. It is located on the third segment. So this is the subpharyngeal ganglion. It is located, which is fourth segment, which is located in the fourth segment, and this is brain located in the third segment. Brain located in third segment. Each part of nerve tract with ganglion structure, right? So brain and the subpharyngeal ganglions are connected by certain types of connective tissues. Certain types of connective tissues. That is called as subpharyngeal ganglion connective tissue. Subpharyngeal ganglion connective tissues. This structure located on the pharynx. This is located on the pharynx, right? Next one. This arising from this point around the anterior part of bodies. Okay, upper surface of umbilicals and lower part which is umbilicals. Now you can differentiate which is umbilicals. The pink color. From the anterior part antibody to the antibodies. This structure which is umbilical structure. What is umbilical structure? The umbilical structure, upper part that is called dorsal part of animal bodies. And lower part that is ventral part of bodies. So dorsal part of animal body form one continuous nerve tissues that is called which is upper part of ganglionic connective nerve tissues. Lower part also presents which is connective nerve tissues. I think we understand which is the yellowish and the green part, right? This part, ventral part of the nerve tract, it is located on the below the umbilical system. Below the umbilical system, the pink-like structure. Pink structure is in central part between the blood vessels. That is the umbilical structures. So below the umbilical present the yellowish body segment nerve tissues that is called the ventral part of nerve tracts. That is a dorsal part of nerve tract, green color. Because of the not given in the textbook, you want to identify. That purpose I am drawing the structures. There is a dorsal part of nerve tract, and yellowish and the greenish color ventral part of nerve tract. Both are connected by subpharyngeal ganglion. Subpharyngeal ganglions are connected by ganglionic types of tissues. Connected after from the third segment, presence of a coiled nerve tissue that is called ganglion. Ganglion means nerve, actually brain structure. So brain located from the third segment. Brain located from the third segment. Right? Double ventral nerve cord is backward from the pharyngeal ganglion is present. That's the brain along with the brain along with the other nerve tissues arise from the integument sensory with the comments muscular and responsive stimuli. Each nerve tissues are arise from the brain, connect with each body segments. From the segment, presence of which is branches. It is the branches, which is there is a branches. It is connected with the body tissues, muscular tissue. It is connected with the body muscular tissue. The body muscular tissue is contain different types of sensory sensors. From the earthworm, each body wall contains special types of sensory cells. The special types of sensory cells have sensory receptor sensations. It is integrate the response bodies to brain from the external environment to brain to external environments. The electrochemical events or message are going to exchange by the nervous stimulation. Because of the earthworm body structure. Okay, body wall is contain large number of receptor cells. The receptor cells are response to the nervous system stimulations. Okay, they are detecting the impulse in response. What are the types of present in this earthworm body structure? Various types of cells, different types of sensory cells are there. What are the different types of sensory cells? The first one is receptor cells. From the earthworm, present cell number one, receptor organ cells are. First one is a photoreceptor. Photoreceptor cells. What is photoreceptor? The earthworm body anterior part is contain light sensing related types of cells. From the earthworm body structure, presence of light sensation, sensory cells are there. That is called the photoreceptor cells. The photoreceptor cells are present. Surface of the body wall present. Okay, light sensation, different types of cells are located in this part. That is photoreceptor cells. Second one, gastroreceptor and olfactory receptor present in the buccal cavities. It is a mouth part of earthworm. The mouth part of earthworm otherwise called prostomium. What is prostomium? Mouth part of earthworm is called the prostomium. From the prostomium, it is close by peristomium, which is peristomium. So below the small opening is that is called the mouth. The mouth otherwise called which is buccal cavities. It is buccal cavities. So from the buccal cavities, two types of receptor cells are there. From the buccal cavities, two types of receptor cells are there. One is the gastroreceptors. From the buccal cavities present gastroreceptor. Gastroreceptor cells, it is provide which is taste sensation. Sense of taste. The same buccal cavities present another types of cells. Olfactory receptor. Olfactory receptor are there from the earthworm. It is giving which is provide smelling sensations. Smelling cells from the structure which is smelling cells. So gastroreceptor provide which is a taste sensation. What is taste sensation? What are the decaying organic matters are they are going to eat, which is earthworm? It's a food. Food of earthworms. It is it. So different types of taste are feel by gastroenteric receptors are found in the buccal cavities. I mean, a mouth opening. Right. Second one is olfactory receptors are there. It is provide a smelling sensation to the earthworm. They are feeding dead and decaying organic matter to the soils. So what types of smell they have come from the materials, so that the sensations are received by olfactory receptors present in the earthworm buccal cavities. Another one is tactile receptor, which is tactile receptor. It is also present at the earthworm structure. Listen, tactile receptor, tactile receptor. So the tactile receptors are, it is provide which is sense of touching, touching sensations. Touching sensations provide to earthworm body structure. And fourth one is chemoreceptor. Fourth one is chemoreceptor. Fourth sensations are which is chemoreceptor. Chemoreceptor, it is provide which is chemical changes. I mean, detect changes the chemicals. Different types of chemicals. Different types of chemical changes. Different types of chemical changes. Chemical changes are observed by which is chemoreceptor. And fifth one is that which is thermoreceptor. It's very important. Thermoreceptor. So thermoreceptor they are going to give which is temperature sensation. temperature, sensation. So, from the earthworm body structure present giving various types of sense organs are found in this animal body structure. It is giving the different types of sensation from external environment to internal of the bodies. Right? It is collected by the sensory cells. The sensory cells giving to the ganglionic branches here. The ganglionic branches are going to brain. The brain they are going to control the activities, earthworm body activities. Right? So this is the nervous system of earthworm. So the nervous system of earthworm consists of which is the brain and all subpharyngeal ganglions. It is located from the third segment of earthworm. It is otherwise called bilobed mass of nerve tissue. The earthworm brain otherwise called bilobed mass of nerve tissue located from the third segment. Right? Second one is located dorsal wall of the pharynx in third segment. That is considered the brain. The ganglion found in the pharynx in the fourth segment, which is the brain structure. Collectively, we are going to ganglions. The ganglions are from the subpharyngeal ganglion. It is located fourth segment of earthworm. Fourth segment of earthworm. The brain and the subpharyngeal ganglion both are connected by a circumpharyngeal connective tissue. It is located on the fourth segment. It on each side, which is subpharyngeal ganglions are the travel. Okay, the dorsal side animal bodies and the ventral side part of animal bodies both are formed from this anterior part of animal bodies to posterior part of animal bodies. Anterior part of animal bodies to posterior part of animal bodies. Both sides are having travel. Understand? This is a dorsal part of animal nerve tract. Ventral part of nerve tracts are between present pulmonary canal system. So animal body central part is animal canal systems. Upper part is dorsal side, ventral part is lower part is ventral side. So both sides are traveling the nerve tissues. Part like nerve tissues that travels, it is from the anterior part to posterior part. So between the nerve tissues present the ganglion. The ganglion connect with the body wall. The body wall is contained large number of sensory cells, photoreceptor cells, chemoreceptor cells, gastric receptor cells, olfactory receptor, tactile receptor, and the thermoreceptor. The different types of sensory cells are located in body walls. So the body walls are connected to the nerve tissues and the muscular part. It is the response for nervous system only and receive the impulse and detect the receptor functions. This is the earthworm nervous system. Next, we are going to talk about the same earthworm excretory organ structure and functions. The same earthworm excretory organs and functions. What is the specific about the earthworm structure and functions? Wait a minute. Yes. Next one we are talking about is earthworm excretory system. Earthworm excretory systems we are talking about. Wait a minute. Right. So this is the earthworm excretory system. The earthworm excretory system. Present. The earthworm excretory systems. What is the meaning of excretions? we are going to deeply talk about which is the earthworm excretory system. That before we should know what is the meaning of excretion. The excretion means the process of elimination of nitrogenous metabolic waste product extract from the body. So they are going to eliminate, that is called excretory system. Excretion. What is excretion? So from the animal bodies, which part they are going to eliminate the excretory product? That process called which is excretory system. So from the animals, there are three different types which is excretory materials are there. One is the, all the excretory materials are going to call nitrogenous waste material. Nitrogenous waste materials. So what are the nitrogenous waste materials? One is the urea. Second one is ammonia. And third one is uric acid. Uric acids. So three different types of which is nitrogenous materials are there. All animals are not even structure and even functions. So compare one animal to other animals, totally, morphologically, anatomically, and adaptation also. Both okay, there are different habitats and different morphological structure. Okay, body chemical composition also totally different. So right, earthworm is the nocturnal animals, right? It is living under the soils. So the earthworm, I'm telling you, which is the earthworm is a ammono-ureotenic elements. Ammono and ureotenic elements. Why the earthworm are going to come, which is ammono and ureotenic elements? Means the earthworm is live under the soil, under the conditions moisture level. The more moisture level, then only earthworm can feed the nutrients and can live there. Because of the animal body temperature, surrounding temperatures, high temperature, they cannot manage. So it is always live, which is the earthworm body structure always live. High of moisture conditions, soil background, under the soil it will lie. So whenever the earthworm living in a high moisture level of soil, at that time it will release ammonia is the which is nitrogenous waste materials. Ammonia is the nitrogenous waste materials. The same earthworm, same species, when become okay, low level of moisture in soil, at the time that the earthworm it is released urea. Urea is the nitrogenous waste material. So water content reduced soil inside earthworm may be live. It is released ammonia. Sorry, urea is the nitrogenous wastes. The same earthworm it is live in this high amount of moisture level of soils. Water will be more. At the time it is released ammonia is the nitrogenous waste material. So the earthworm otherwise called which is ammono and ureotenic elements. Ammono and ureotenic elements. So next one, the earthworm, the excretory organs. It is a mesonephric. Okay, excretory organs. What is the meaning of mesonephric? So mesonephric it means the excretory cells are only developed is 50% only developed. So it is a mesonephric structure. The excretory organs are found in the earthworms, right? So it is eliminated throughout the metabolic process. Nitrogenous waste material are going eliminated from the animal body to external environment. That is called which is excretion. The earthworm excrete affected by segment orange. The minute coiled paired tubes are called which is called nephridia. Which is nephridia? See, these are three different types of nephridia found in the earthworm. One is the pharyngeal nephridia. One is the pharyngeal nephridia. Second one is micronephridia. And third one is meganephridia. There are three different types of nephridia are found in this earthworm. See, the pharyngeal nephridia, otherwise we are going to call tuft nephridia. Tufted nephridia is bunches. That is which is see the diagram, which is from this tuft part, one segment of the isolate. So this part is called pharyngeal nephridia. The pharyngeal nephridia means a complex structure. Tuft means from this part, one segment. That is called tuft nephridia. So pharyngeal nephridia, otherwise called tuft nephridia. Right? Second one is micronephridia. Third one is meganephridia. So three different types of nephridia are found in this earthworm. right? The pharyngeal ductal epidioles are located from fifth segment to ninth segment. From the fifth segment to ninth segment locate pharyngeal or ductal epidiole. Second one is microdipedias are located from the 14th segment to last segment. The microdepedia from the 14th segment to last segment of animal bodies. Last segment of animal bodies. It is located, which is micronepidia. Third one is meganepidia is located from the 9th segment to last segment. From the 19th segment to last segment of animal bodies. So I am already told you which is how many segments are present in the earthworm. From the earthworm, present which is 21 segments. Adult normal earthworm we have which is 20 segments of size. 21 segments are 21 segments are present as normal adult earthworm. So between the segments, right, from the 5th segment to 9th segment present pharyngeal nepidia, otherwise called ductal epidia, right? Second one is micronepidia. Micro locate from the 14th segment to last segment of animal bodies. Meganepidia means large size. The nepidia structures locate from the 19th segment to last segment of animal bodies. 19th segment to last segment of animal body present, which is meganepidia, right? So what is the major role of meganepidia? It has an internal funnel-like structure. Openings are there. The openings come to neprostome, which is from the nepidia structure present a funnel-like structure that is called neprostome. Which is neprostome. The neprostome is small opening. It is an exterior part connect with its external element for the animal bodies. Throughout this neprostome, they are emit nitrogenous waste material. Neprostome is okay, preceding the segments and the rest of the tubule succeeding segments. The tube consists of 3 distinct parts, which is this opening part. The tubes are consist of 3 parts: part 1, part 2, and part 3. 3 segments are there. Part 1 is complete. Okay, this is a ciliated part. The part 1 is ciliated part. Ciliated part means the complete structure of finger-like projections. The tube-like structure. Inside the tube-like structure, a small finger-like projections are there. That is called which is ciliated part. What is ciliated part? Second one is glandular part. Second part is glandular part. Glandular part means it will secrete some fluids. It is mingled with the nitrogenous waste materials. Throughout the nitrogenous, the fluids are going to discharge. Okay. Third one is muscular region. Which is muscular region. The muscular region is that store the materials after they are going to eliminate. That is 3 parts of which is meganepidia. What is meganepidia? Next, the glandular part extract the waste from the blood. Full. Okay. Finally, the waste are going to eliminate. The complete eliminate part, which is common open, that is called nephridioscope. What is nephridioscope? So nephridioscope means opening. Nephridioscope means opening. It is located outer wall of the body part. It is connected with the nephridian tube-like structure. Okay. When the completely filtered the waste, nitrogenous waste material from the blood, eliminate after pass to tubular structure. The tubular structure pass to ciliated part. Ciliated part pass to muscular regions. From the muscular regions, small opening is there. That is called the nephridioscope. So through the nephridioscope, eliminate the waste material. Eliminate the waste materials. Okay. Next are the important points from the body walls. From the body wall to intestine part. From the body wall to intestine part. One important cells are. One important cell is there. Chlorocogen cells. The chlorocogen cells are extract the nitrogenous waste material from the body wall of the cavities and sent to the nephridia. All the body cells are connected with the blood vessels. The blood vessels are linked with the body walls. So from the which is intestine part, the presence of special types of cells, chlorocogen cells. So chlorocogen cells, which is chlorocogen cells are located body wall and the intestine between presence. It is connecting the waste material from the blood. They will store. Again, they are going to filter. Finally, they are going to charge the waste material. right? So chloropogens is the very important cells from the earthworm excretory product, and the NH plus also, right? Next we are going to talk about the same earthworm excretory system. Same earthworm excretory system. Right? So this is a earthworm reproductive system. Earthworm reproductive system. Very important topic. Listen. Listen. The earthworm reproductive system. Earthworm reproductive systems. According to the experience of reproductive structures, earthworms are going to commonly we are going to call earthworm is a monoecious animal. What is monoecious animals? So what is the meaning of monoecious? Monoecious means the male and the female reproductive organs, sex organ, both are present in same animal. That is called the monoecious. That is called monoecious. The monoecious term, change another term is hermaphroditic. So what is the meaning of hermaphroditic? Which means the bisexual animals, two sex organs, male reproductive organ, female reproductive organ, both are present in same animal. That is called which is hermaphroditic. Hermaphroditic another term is monoecious. What is monoecious? So earthworm is a monoecious animal or hermaphroditic animals. According to the experience structure, earthworms are going to call which is monoecious animal or hermaphroditic. The male and female reproductive organs are found in same animals, right? Male female reproductive organ present in single animal, but it cannot make which is self-fertilization. It is always make cross-fertilizations. The self-fertilization is not possible, which is self-fertilization is not possible in which is earthworm. It is always make which is cross-fertilization, which is the way which is cross-fertilization. Why the earthworms are going to make a cross-fertilization means it will have a small variation, right? The male reproductive organ testes produce the sperm. Male reproductive organ testes that produce the sperm. Earlier than which is products are over from the female reproductive organs body, right? From the earthworm structure, male reproductive organ testes, and female reproductive organs from located from the 11th, 10th and the 11th segments. Testes are located 11th and 10th segment. Female reproductive organ ovaries are present. Female reproductive organs ovaries are present. 13th segment, a pair of ovaries there, right? So both sex organs are produce the gamete cells. Okay, the testes earlier produce the sperm cell. Okay, then better than chest from the ovaries. Ovaries are very slowly produced. Testes are very fast member productions, sperm productions. Okay, from this testes. So when the testes manufacture the sperm, after that the ovary produce the egg cell. Okay, so throughout this functions, the earthworms cannot make self-fertilization, right? It is always doing cross-fertilization. Always doing cross-fertilization. Reason: the maturations of gamete cells are from each sex organs. Okay, maturation, manufacturing, it is time ratio is before, right? So this reason the atom always make cross fertilization. Okay, so that atom make a cross fertilizations. Reason the sperm cells yearly produce the sperm. That event name is protundus. Please note this point. So protundus means earthworm, which is earthworm male reproductive testes. Sperms are produced yearly than ovary. So that event name is protundus. So throughout the protundus events, earthworms cannot make a self fertilization. Always doing cross fertilization. Right? Next, where the male reproductive organs are found in the earthworm structure. I already told you from the matured and normal earthworm structure, we have 21 segments are there. 21 segments are there from the animal body structure. Okay. Now we are taking just male reproductive system, which is male reproductive system. From the earthworm, the male reproductive systems are located already told, which is the segment 10 and 11 segment. 10 and 11 segments. See, this is the earthworm body structure. From the structure process, which is 7, 8, 9, that is spermatheca. Temporarily stored the sperm cell, okay, regions. After the presence of just 10 segments and 11 segments. So from the 10th and 11th segment, the a pair of testes are there. That is male reproductive organ, primary sex organ from the earthworm. The testes are give rise to germ cells. Testes are give rise to your germ cell, that is called spermatogonium. From the testes, rise means giving you nucleus cells, that name is spermatogonium. The spermatogonia, that is a primary egg cells and mother cell of sperm, it develops into spermatozoa. Okay, which is the spermatozoa, it is developed into spermatozoa. Spermatogonia, it is developed into spermatozoa. Spermatogonia is a mother cell of sperm. The name spermatozoa is developed from spermatogonia, which is spermatozoa is developed from spermatogonia. It is located from which is testes. Spermatogonia located from the testes. The testes found in from the earthworm 10th and 11th segment. 10th and 11th segments. Right? From the each testis develop spermatogonia, pairs of seminal vesicles are developed. From the spot, a seminal vesicle. See, this is the pair of testes. Seminal vesicles are there. And small segment. So the yellowish segment, that is called seminal vesicles. The seminal vesicles are connected with the prostate gland. See, from the 17th segment, below the earthworm, presence of 17 segments, presence of prostate gland. The prostate gland communicates with the testes, intermediate structure, that is called vas deferens. Vas deferens. So the vas deferens, otherwise called sperm duct. Vas deferens, otherwise called sperm duct. Right? Okay. So vas deferens are connected with the testes. A small segment is there, that is called seminal vesicles. I already show the diagram, which is seminal vesicles. See the yellowish color. Yellowish color, that is called seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles are connected with the testes. So testes and seminal vesicles both are connected with the vas deferens. Vas deferens connected with the prostate gland. At the time of copulations, from the testes, sperm cells are produced. Produced sperm cells are stored here, right? When we need a fertilization, at the time, throughout the individual duct, the sperm cells, which is from the prostate gland, sperm cells are to be stored from their segment, which is 7, 8, and 9. 7, 8, and 9. Okay, temporarily they are going to store. It is otherwise called the spermatheca. See the okay, name, which is spermatheca. Spermatheca is 3 pairs. See, listen, from the 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. So in between gap space are there, between the space, right? Sperm cells are collected and stored temporarily. From the spermatheca, sperm cells are they will get mature. Okay, when we need a fertilizations, Then later fertilization. After okay, that matured after from the sperm theca, sperm cells are passed to which is small segment from the 14 to 7 segments. See the diagram from the 14 to 7 segment. Yeah, bulge structure that name is clidella region. So clidella region means that is a reproductive fertilization site. From the earthworm, the small bulges part, this part is clidella regions. Okay, worm also release the cells from the ovary to clidella regions. There's spermatheca also release the sperm cells from the which is clidella regions. From there, fertilization okay happens. After that, they will form cocoons. The cocoons are gradually develop and then nutrients. Finally, they will release young or baby earthworm to the soil. That is role which is male reproductive system. Earthworm male reproductive system. Next, we are going to talk about earthworm female reproductive system. Earthworm female reproductive systems. Wait a minute. Same diagram we need for this expression. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Right. Next segment we are going to start. Say earthworm female reproductive system. Listen. Earthworm female reproductive systems. It is consist of a pair of ovaries are located in the 13 segments. See that's segment number 13 here. A pair of ovaries are located. Female reproductive system. Female reproductive system located in the 13 segments. A pair of ovaries are there, right? Each ovary has a finger-like projections containing a linear series. Each part is a finger-like projections. You can observe the individual diagram. That is the ovaries, a pair of ovaries. From each part of ovaries are present small finger-like projections. That is structure of ovary. Structure of ovaries. So that is a finger-like projections. Which is finger-like projections. The finger-like projections is a funnel-shaped structure. It is contained oviduct. Open to the genital pores, ventral surface of 14 segment. It is open where the ovary is present, the ventral segment of oviduct. So this is oviduct. The finger-like projections, ovary series are open to the oviduct. Oviduct otherwise called fallopian tubes. Which is fallopian tubes. The fallopian tubes connect with the excreting common opening process. Spermatheca and secondary phase. 3 pairs of located in 7, 8, and 9 segments. This part connect with the individual tubes. It is connected with the spermathecals. Spermathecals are 3 pairs. Segment number 7, 8, 9. But it is initially opened in the 6th segment. Because I told you last 2 minutes before, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. So between these segments, a small opening is there. So throughout the small openings, ovary produce worms or egg cells are being transferred to system there. The fertilization adapter come back to a bulges segment that name is a clidella. Clidella is very important for the structure from the earthworm because of the earthworm entire body structure. We are going to separate 2 parts. It is the pre-clidella region segment, clidella region segment, and the post-clidella region segments. So depend on the 3 parts. From the earthworm structures have 21 segments are there. The 21 segments we are going to separate to 3 parts. Pre-clidella regions, cladolar regions, post-cladolar regions, 3 segments. But the cladolar region, it's the fertilization site. The temporarily from the guy stored the sperm, then need a fertilization, at the time release switch sperm to the cladolar regions. From this area, sperm and the eggs are both are being fertilizations are planned. Fertilization comes after the zygotes surrounding convert into cocoons. The cocoons are well nutrients and get well matured. After that, they produce young baby of earthworm. That is female reproductive system. So, students, the topic is over. Once again, recall the topic. Wait a minute. All right. That's all.
Screen on the diagram configuration. No.
Okay. Right. Yes, students, we already talked about 3 topics. One is the nervous system of the earthworm. Second one is the excretory system of the earthworm. Third one is the reproductive system of the earthworm. Nervous system, the excretory system, reproductive system. Okay. The nervous system, it is consists of a bilobe mass of nerve tissue found in the 3rd segment of the earthworm, dorsal part of animal body. From the anterior wall, dorsal part of animal body present. The bilobe mass of structure that is called a nerve, I mean a brain. You can observe the diagram. See, this is a nerve ganglion. It is located in the 3rd segment. Nerve ganglion that is located in the 3rd segment. Both are connected by subpharyngeal ganglia. Both are connected by subpharyngeal ganglia. You can understand. Listen. Subpharyngeal ganglions, it is okay. Have 2 parts. Divide 2 parts. Between this central part present, this structure name is umbilical part. Umbilical part. So above the umbilical part, dorsal side and ventral side. Dorsal side and ventral side. The long tubular structure nerve tissues are there. That is the ganglionic nerve cell, double ventral nerve block. It is located to anterior part of animal body and the posterior part of animal bodies. Dorsally and ventral ganglion travels between the nerve tissues, presence of ganglion. But the ganglions are, which is that the ganglions are communicating with the body wall contain different types of receptor cells. The ganglionic parts are connected with different part of ganglionic cells. It is a double nerve cord. Which is double nerve cords? The anterior part by two branches, interior two branches. There are also two branches. Okay, ganglionic nerves. There are also present two ganglionic nerves. Develop. It is connected with the body wall contains. The body walls contain different types of sensory cells. Thermoreceptor, chemoreceptor, olfactory receptor, tactile receptor, and olfactory receptor. Various types of receptor organs are present in the earthworm, so that the body walls connect with the muscles. Muscles and the special types of cells are giving different types of sensations to the cells. Nervous cells, it is called the brain function. Okay, that part is called brain and the base part of brain and subpharyngeal ganglia. Subpharyngeal ganglion part located in the earthworm structures. Next, we talk about the excretory system of the earthworm structure. Excretory system of the earthworm structure. I already told you what is the meaning of excretion. Excretion means the process of elimination of nitrogenous waste product. Nitrogenous waste product extract from the blood. They are going to eliminate to the body inside to the external environment. From our body, from the animal earthworm body cells, they are maintained metabolic process. What is metabolic process? So what is the meaning of metabolic process? Formation of energy. Okay, create the waste materials. This event is metabolic process. It is including two chemical reactions. One is that anabolism. Second one is catabolism. So throughout the anabolism and catabolisms, from the earthworm body cells produce the required ATP, adenosine triphosphate energy molecule, and produce nitrogenous waste. That nitrogenous waste are produced by the body cells. The blood composition observe the materials. It is provided to the excretory cells. The excretory cells receive the blood and filter the nitrogenous waste. They are going to eliminate. This event name is, which is metabolic process. I mean, metabolic waste product process event. This event name is excretion. What is excretion? So excretion means eliminate the nitrogenous wastes. Eliminate the nitrogenous wastes. From the earthworm bodies, the presence of three different types of excretory cells are there. What are the three types of cells are there? Cell number one, pharyngeal nephridia. Pharyngeal nephridia. So pharyngeal nephridia, it is otherwise called a duct nephridia because of it is a bunch of cells. It is a bunch of cells. So the cells are called a pharyngeal nephridia. Second one is micronephridia. What is micronephridia? Second types of nephridia, micronephridia. Micronephridia. And third one is meganephridia. Meganephridia. So throughout all the nephridia cells are filter the nitrogenous waste product from the blood. They are going to eliminate this event, which is excretion process. So from this meganephridia, it has an internal funnel-like shape. It is called nephridiostome. It is a fully ciliated. The nephridiostome means preceding the segments, last tube succeeding segment. The tube will consist of three parts. Because of the distinct three parts, one is ciliated. Second one is glandular. Third one is muscular. The waste is collected from the ciliated funnel shape, pushed into the muscular part. The nephridia ciliated by this filtered, they are going to eliminate. Glandular part extract the waste from this blood, and finally waste excess to this nephridiaspore. Whereas the nephridiaspore special cells are present in the intestine wall. From the intestine wall, special types of nephridiaspore cells are there. The cell's name is chlorocogen cells. What cell? Chlorocogen cells. So the chlorocogen cells are, it is present, which is central part of animal bodies. Central part of animal bodies, intestine part is there. What is the part? Intestine part is there. At the intestine part, it again which is chlorocogen cells. The chlorocogen cells are filter the nitrogenous waste from the blood to, it is passed to which is nephridiaspore. The nephridiaspore passed to excretory wobbling. Okay, external wobbling, they are going to discharge. Right? So this is our recall. The third one is reproductive system. And already so many times I explained you. Reproductive system of earthworm. According to this process, the animals we are going to talk, which is earthworm is a hermaphroditic animals. Hermaphroditic animals are otherwise called, which is monoecious animals. Earthworm reproductive systems. Why we are called hermaphroditic or monoecious, which means male and female reproductive organs are present in same individual. From the earthworm bodies, from the earthworm body, reproductive system, earthworm body, reproductive systems are, you are going to commonly call as, which is monoecious animal. What is monoecious animal? So what is the meaning of monoecious or hermaphroditic? So monoecious or hermaphroditic means both male female reproductive organ, male and female reproductive organs are present in same animal. Because of the animals are called which is monoecious or hermaphroditic animals. Monoecious or hermaphroditic animals. They are going to commonly called. Right? Next, the earthworm always make cross fertilization. All the earthworms are made which is cross fertilization. What is the problem? Why? The earthworms are made cross fertilization, which means the gamete formations from the earthworm male reproductive organ testes. It is located from the 10th and 11th segments. From the female reproductive organ, ovaries are located just ovaries. The ovaries located from the 13th segment. The pair of ovary is there. The pair of ovary located in 13 segments. The pair of testes present in the 11th and the 10th segments. From the two segments are gamete production. Okay, producing relations are both are different. So throughout the event, the earthworm cannot make empty self-fertilization. It is doing always cross-fertilization. It is doing always cross-fertilization. Okay. So this is a earthworm male and female reproductive system. Right? So one more questions I want to ask from you. Anybody else? My dear students, anybody is there? Please say yes or no. I want to ask the question. Right? What is the meaning of protundus? Hello, anybody is there? My dear students? Yes. Tell me, ma'am. What is the meaning of protundus? Please unmute your mic. After this, speak with me. What is the meaning of this protundus? Tell me. Hello? One second, wait a minute. Yes, my dear students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Wait. What is the meaning of protundus?
The sperms
The
develop
sperm develops earlier than the ova.
than the production of ova.
Yes, the male reproductive testes early produce the sperm earlier than
production.
Yes, good. Right. Second question. Earthworm contain three different types of excretory cells. I mean, epidia cells. What are the three types of epidia found in the earthworm?
Parenchyma,
Parenchyma,
micronuclea,
and meganuclea, meganuclea.
Please, yes, good. You will answer very good. But speak clearly, one by one. I'm asking, right?
Sir.
Okay. And the third question. From the earthworm intestine body walls contain a special types of cell. Name the cells which is that we excrete waste materials.
Chlorogen
Cells.
cells.
Yes, very good. Which is
Gem.
chlorogen cells. Right? According to reproductive process, earthworms are going to form monoecious cells. Why?
Because the
Male
male and female are in a same individual.
organs are found in same individual.
Very good. Male and female reproductive organs found in same individual. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one. From the earthworm, Meganipedia consists of tubular part and the glandular part, muscular part. Okay. What is the role of glandular part? Can you understand my question?
No, sir.
Meganipedia consists of three quarters. The distinct three quarters: radiated, glandular, and muscular. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Glandular part. Yes, glandular part. I'm asking glandular part.
Sir, it extracts
Extracts
the
the
waste
waste
from
from
the
the blood.
The role of glandular part is extract the waste from the blood, and finally waste excrete to the nephridium. Yes, very good. Yeah, okay.
Nephrido.
Right. The male reproductive organ testes locate on your tongue where the segments are present.
10th and 11th
10th
segment.
and 11th segment.
Female reproductive organs are ovaries are present in
18.
okay.
13th segment.
13th segment.
13th segment.
13th segment.
What is 13 segments? And another important last question for you. What is the role of prostate gland? What is the role of prostate gland? I'm asking from the earthworm reproductive organs. Earthworm reproductive organs. Structure. Prostate gland. What is the function? What is it?
Simon the spermatozoa into bundles.
Yes, very good. Yes. Okay, repeat, please.
The secretion of prostate gland.
Right.
The cement the spermatozoa into
Cement the
bundles.
spermatozoa into bundles.
Important, right? Cementus. Come on, cementus.
Spermatozoa into bundles.
Spermatozoa into bundles.
Spermatozoa into bundles.
Spermatozoa into bundles.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Remaining one more is there.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.